Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 6, Lesson 12. We've been working with some pretty big numbers, and today we're going to do a lot of fun adding. I'm very excited. Let's go. Our learning goal for today says, I can use place value to help me add two-digit numbers. Don't forget, two-digit numbers are those numbers that have tens and ones. So we're going to be using tens and ones to help us add. Let's look at 45 plus 13. We've done this before with smaller numbers, so maybe and hopefully this will look familiar. When I have two-digit numbers, I'm going to go ahead and break up the smaller one into its place value. So under the 13, I'm going to go ahead and put a quick number bond. First, I'm going to take out the tens, and then I'm going to take out the ones. So now I have 45 plus 13, but I've just broken it into its parts by place value. Now I'm going to take each part of the 13 and add it to 45. So I'm going to first start with the tens. I'm going to say 45 plus 10. Now if I don't know what 45 plus 10 is, I can go ahead and draw a quick picture. There's 45 and I'm going to add 10. Now I can see that I have 5 tens and 5 ones, or 55. Alright, am I done adding it? No way, Jose. I still have 3, or my other part of the 13 to add in. So I'm going to say 55 plus 3. Now I'm going to just add up. I'm going to use my good picture to help me. 55, 56, 57, 58. So I know 55 plus 3 equals 58. All right, let's try another one. This time I have 45 plus 23. I'm going to break up this smaller number. Hey friend, which one is the smaller number? Is it 45 or 23? Oh, you're so good. Yeah, it's 23. I'm going to go ahead and put a number bond under there. I'm going to take out the tens and then I'm going to take out the ones. What number should I write to show how many tens I have? Yep, I see 2 tens, so that's going to be 20. And then how many ones are there in 23? Yep, 3. Now I'm going to take 45 and I'm going to add the different parts to 23. I'm going to start by saying 45 plus 20. I have no idea, so I'm going to draw a quick picture. Here's 45, and I'm going to add 20 more. Now I can see that I have 4, 5, 6 tens and 5 ones, or 65. I've already added 20, which is part of 23, but now I need to add the other part. So I'm going to go ahead and say 65 plus 3. I'll draw a quick picture of 3 more and then count up as I draw. 65, 66, 67, 68. So 65 plus 3 is 68. All right, it's your turn. I'm going to have you do some of these with me. Can you go ahead and get a dry erase board and a marker or your math journal? We're going to practice adding two-digit numbers and breaking up that smaller one into its place value. Press play when you're ready. All right, ready to practice, friend? Perfecto. Here we go. 21 plus 27. Can you go ahead and write that on your dry erase board? Oh, perfect. Now can you break up the smaller number? Which one is the smaller number? Did you say 21? Oh, good job. Can you go ahead under 21, write the tens first as one part and the ones as the other part? All right, did you get it done? Good. I put 20 as the tens and then 1 as the ones. Now we're going to write a number sentence. 27 was the bigger number, so we're going to add 27 to the different parts of 21. So I'm going to start by saying 27 plus 20. Go ahead and write that number sentence, will you please, friends? All right. Now, in the space above 27 plus 20, you can go ahead and draw a quick picture to show what that answer would be. Did you get 47? Because I had 27 plus 10 more would be 37, plus 10 more than that would be 47. Now I'm going to take my 47 and add the other part of 21. So I should say 47 plus 1, because that's the other part I still need to add in. All right, I can go ahead and add to my picture, or I can just count on 47, 48. Good job. I really like how you're doing such a nice job staying so organized with number bonds and pictures using 10 towers and circles and making sure that our number sentences are nice and straight. We can really keep organized with our math and make sure that we come up with our best answer. Let's try another one. Ooh, this one's a tricky. 27 plus 43. I'm going to have you go ahead and write the number bond for the smaller number. Press play to check yourself. Okay, do you have a number bond filled out for the smaller number? Okay, good. Tell me what to do. Yep, 27 is a smaller number, so I put a number bond there. And how am I going to fill it in? Yep, I should have a 20 and a 7, because those are two parts. Now what do I do? What'd you say? Yeah, I'm going to add 43 in the first part of 27. So I'm going to say 43 plus 20. Can you go ahead and find out that answer and then press play to check yourself? Okay, so if I'm going to add 43 plus 20, I'm going to draw a quick picture. There's 43, and I'm going to draw 20 more. 43 plus 20 would be 63. Is that what you got? Oh, you're so good, friends. Am I done? No. Now I have to add the other part of 27. So now I have 63 plus 7. Can you go ahead and press pause and find that good answer and then press play to check yourself? Okay, ready, friends? Well, 63 plus 7 more is actually 70. I know that because I can count on, or I can write the 7 and then count on. So 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Perfecto. All right, let's try another one. This time I want you to try the whole thing, 38 plus 52. Start by breaking up the 38 in the number bonds and then find the good answer. Press play to check yourself on the whole thing. Are you done? Did you add the 10s first and then the 1s? If you're not done, press pause until you are. Okay, here we go. Let's check ourselves the whole way through. I had 38 plus 52, and 38 is my smaller number. So I'm going to go ahead and break that up into place value. There's 30 and 8. I'm going to go ahead and take 52 and add it to the first part of 30. So 52 plus 30 is, well, I wasn't sure. So I drew a picture of 52, and then I'm going to go ahead and count on 30 more. 52, 62, 72, 82 would be my answer. Now what do I have left? Oh, good. I'm going to say 82, and I'm going to add it to the other part of 38, which was 8. I'm going to add to my picture to help me. So I have 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So 82 plus 8 is 90. Good job, friends. You've done a really good job, and I'm so excited because today's learning goal says I can use place value to help me add two-digit numbers. And that's exactly what we've been doing all day. So now it's your turn. I want you to go ahead and seesaw this question to your teacher. It says 86 plus 13. I'm going to give you a hint because I'm super duper nice, but 13 is definitely the smaller number. So that's when you're going to break up into 10s and 1s to help you to add. Don't forget, start with 86, add the first part of 13, and then the next part. That should get you your answer. If you don't need to draw a picture, you don't have to, but I highly recommend it. Good luck, friends.